Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm so excited about today. I'm going to be sharing with you a very yummy breakfast or snack recipe that you're going to love. Egg rolls recipe that are very easy and anyone can make. So let's get to the video. I'm going to start by adding 2 eggs to my silver bowl. I'm also going to add 1 cup of my milk at room temperature, 3/4 cup of all-purpose wheat flour, a 1/4 tablespoon of salt to taste, and also some ginger to season. And then all I'm going to do is to mix with my whisk and make sure there are no lumps on my butter. So you have to mix your butter well. Just to make sure there are no lumps, you can go ahead and strain your butter as I'm doing with my sieve right now. So I strained my butter twice as shown in the video. So after that, you're going to set your butter aside after straining it and making sure there are no lumps on it. I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. After your butter is ready, you're going to set it aside as I've said before. Moving on, I added 2 eggs to another clean bowl. I also added some of my chopped green onion or spring onion. I also added some green pepper. And then I added half a medium sized chopped red onion. And then I added my 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes. You have to use ripe tomatoes here, you guys. I also added some black pepper to season it and bring up some meat. And then I added some salt to taste. You just have to add a 1/4 tablespoon of salt to taste, and then you are going to mix well as shown in the video. I also added some of my chopped coriander, and then I set aside that mixture. Moving on, I'm going to preheat my pan to medium hot, and then I'm going to add my butter, and we are going to start making our crepes. I'm going to add my butter, and then I'm going to move my pan around to distribute it everywhere, and then I'm going to cook my crepes on medium heat. I'm sorry, I meant you are going to cook your crepe on low medium heat, and then when you see the upper part of your crepe, starting to dry up, you're going to add some of your vegetable mixture, but you'll have to leave enough for the other butter that's remaining, because the butter we made is for 5 to 4 crepes, and you'll have to you'll have to balance the crepe and egg mixture. So after adding your egg mixture on top, you're going to cover it until the upper part of your egg mixture until the eggs cook, and then you're going to flip the other side with the vegetables and cook it again for 2 minutes as shown in the video. And then all you are going to do after that is to remove your egg roll and set it on a large plate as shown in the video right now. And then on the same pan, you're going to repeat the process with the remaining butter. You're just going to oil your pan, add your butter, wait until the upper part is dry, and then you're going to add your egg and vegetable mixture, and then you are going to flip the other side and cook it for 2 minutes, and then you are going to remove it again. So I'll leave you to watch me so you can understand what I've been explaining in the video, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back, and as I said, you cook the other side with the vegetables for 2 minutes, and then you're going to remove your egg rolls and add them to a large plate. So I repeated the process with 2 crepes. So I hope you've seen that your butter will make you 4 to 5 egg rolls depending on the thickness that you want. So as you can see, all our egg rolls are ready. I'm then going to lay them to my chopping board as shown in the video, and then I'm going to cut them as shown in the video. So you don't have to do this part of the video, but I love to take the pictures and I had to do this part. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like this video and comment and share it with your family and friends that are on social media or on socials. It means a lot to me. So see you in my next video, and as you can see, our egg rolls are looking so yummy. See you in my next one.